Hey guys, I'm back here again. Got a quick video here for you. This will be a quick review video after we get the machine done. This is a Generac one wash pressure washer, as they call it right here. This is produced by Generac. However, it does have a Chinese engine on this machine specifically for that. The work we had to do on this job right here, it needed the whole entire fuel system taken off the machine, cleaned that. And carb needed to be replaced, new intake gaskets, a new spark plug, oil needed to be changed out a couple times. And after that, the machine's running great for us over here for that. If you need the information tag on the machine, the information tag on these machines is located in like a bad angle. I don't know how else to describe it. It's on the engine shroud underneath here. If you look at it, you have a shroud covering right down here, and it's on this portion right here. This is the carburetor right here where my finger's at. You look straight onto the engine, and you have your rectangular shaped identification tag right down here, guys. This model number for this machine, I'm seeing get a better shot here for you. While I hold this thing up here, it is a model number. Let me zoom in here and see that. Give me a good focus. It don't want to focus. Sorry about that, guys. I'm seeing back it out here a little bit for you. And it still doesn't want to focus. Sorry about that. The model number is 00644140, and it has a PSI rating of 3000 on here, GPM 2.8, and a serial number starting with 77 on there for that. So this is a Generac Power Systems pressure washer. These engines are produced in China out there, unfortunately, and because of that, you got Chinese parts out there you got to deal with, and it's not like a typical Briggs or Honda style engine out there for that. I need a new carb, new intake gaskets on there, everything else like that. New spark plug on here as well too. Oil need to be changed out a couple times. The actual fuel tank, he did have debris and water down inside the fuel tank on this one specifically for that, so we had to clean that thing all out and take the tank off, and did that, and the machine's running fine now for that. So this one's also referred to as their one wash machine right here by the name up there in the top, 2000 and 3000 PSI. And here's the front of the machine right here as well too. You have your control panel, if you want to call it that. You have a low oil sensor, you have a low water sensor. It's basically a low pressure sensor right there specifically for that. That's what it has on there. And you also have your on and off switch right here. So you got your on and off switch, low oil sensor, low water pressure sensor, and you have your rheostat on here for that. All it is a throttle cable linkage on here. You got max power for the engine right here, and you have low speed for the delicate setting right there for us. So you got delicate all the way over to the left, and you got max power for the all the way over to the right. Plus you have your choke lever right here as well too. This thing pulls out just like so, and that's how you work that. And you also have your 3 nozzles. You have one for soap, you have one for washing, and you have one for blasting any kind of debris off stuff out there for that. So that's your Generac information control panel, whatever you want to call it, right there for that. So we'll go ahead and fire it up here for you. You can see it running over here, guys, so bear with me here for a couple seconds. I got to put my camera down here so I can get this thing started, because typically you have to put your one foot on the one side and you got to use your other hand to try to stabilize the machine while you're trying to start up over here for that. So we'll go ahead and try to do that right now, and we'll show you how the machine should function when it's running in excellent shape. So bear with me here for a couple seconds, guys. Okay. There. Okay, we're back here again, guys. Sorry about that. And we'll give you a demonstration of the machine here. Let me get my hand steady here for you. Got the wand. Here's your wand. I will shoot out to the driveway. And it got a good amount of pressure on it. It feels great. Got a lot of pressure pushed back. Shoots about, I'd say about 10 to 12 feet right there. So got a lot of pressure flow. The pump's working great. Got a lot of good amount of pressure there. Get a side shot right there for that. Yeah, it got a lot of good flow. Absolutely great. And the engine's running fine on here as well too. We'll go ahead and put it on a low setting. Got it max right now. We'll turn it down. Because there's your low setting. That's low speed on the engine. Do the one pressure set now. There's your low speed. And we'll turn it back up to high. Turn it back up on here. There's max fire. We'll pull a choke out. Choke works great. Go ahead and fire it up again on high speed. Okay, here we go again. Give me a side shot. Right about there. Got a lot of good fire there. So the machine's running great. Go ahead and turn it off over here. Got the on and off switch. Shut down. So the machine's running great, ready to go back to the customer, so it should be perfectly fine for them. It's running, it passed all our tests over here. The unloader valve's working fine. It's idling okay in a lower speed. Max speed is running great, so it passed 1, 2, 3 tests right there. Not giving me any kind of problems or anything else with that, so it's good to go. So if anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot about this Generac pressure washer here, feel free to leave me a message, and I'll try to get back to you within maybe 24 or 48 hours after you post some kind of a quick answer or reply to my video here, guys. I'll see you. Have a nice day.